Welcome to my channel, Earn and Inspire. Hello friends! In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn money using ChatGPT from the comfort of your home. Yes, this amazing AI tool is not only a time saver, but also a great way to monetize your skills. So let's dive in. Introduction to ChatGPT interface and simple use examples. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool that helps you with writing, research, and generating ideas. It's like a chatbot you can use for a variety of tasks. The key is to know how to use it effectively. Freelance content writing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer showcasing content writing jobs. The easiest way to start is by offering freelance content writing services. Use ChatGPT to create articles, blog posts, or even scripts. Customize them a little and deliver them to your clients. You can create profiles on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to offer these services. Social media management examples of social media posts being created with ChatGPT. Every business needs social media today. With ChatGPT, you can generate catchy captions, engaging posts, and even create complete marketing strategies. This is a perfect opportunity for working with small businesses or startups with limited budgets. Create online courses or tutorials platforms like Udemy, Teachable showing course previews. If you're an expert in any field, use ChatGPT to design a complete course structure. Break down the topics into easy and engaging lessons, record them, and sell your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. It's a great way to earn passive income. Virtual assistant services. A virtual assistant organizing emails and schedules using ChatGPT. Another lucrative option is offering virtual assistant services. Use ChatGPT to draft emails, schedule meetings, or even respond to customer inquiries. Understand your clients' requirements and get started with this easy-to-manage service. Bonus tips for success. Motivational graphics and success stories of freelancers. Earning money with ChatGPT is simple, but you need to focus on consistency and quality. Always remember, ChatGPT is your assistant, not a replacement. Add your creativity and personal touch to stand out. So friends, these were some amazing ways to earn money using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel Earn and Inspire for more exciting tips and ideas. Your support motivates me to create even better content. Let me know in the comments which idea you're going to try first. See you in the next video. Take care.